In a world where youth is synonymous with health and vitality, a troubling trend is emerging. Young adults, seemingly in their prime, are facing diagnoses that were once reserved for older generations. Let's dive into this modern mystery and uncover why so many young people are getting cancer. Kathy Ang, an oncologist at Vanderbilt University Medical Center, recalls treating a 16-year-old with a type of gastrointestinal cancer typically found in those much older. This wasn't an isolated case. Surgeon George Barreto from Flinders University also noticed an alarming pattern: young individuals developing cancers at ages that defy the norm. As these observations became more personal, with friends and family affected, the urgency to understand this phenomenon grew. The data is now indisputable. Cancer rates are climbing among adults under the age of 50, with a predicted 30% increase in early-onset cancer cases by 2030. This rise is not limited to one region or type of cancer. From the United States to Mumbai, the prevalence of colorectal, pancreatic, and stomach cancers is surging among the young. And despite better screening and treatments, the full scope of why this is happening remains elusive. Sonia Kupfer, a gastroenterologist at the University of Chicago, admits it's not just one factor, but likely a combination of many. The shift in cancer demographics is sparking a push for earlier screening, particularly after high-profile cases like actor Chadwick Boseman's untimely death. In the United States, colorectal cancer is now the leading cause of cancer death among men under 50 and the second among young women. Disparities abound, with early-onset cancer rates rising faster among Hispanic, American Indian, and Alaska Native people. Social determinants of health, including access to nutritious foods and systemic racism, are suspected to play significant roles. Researchers are now exploring the genetic makeup of early-onset tumors and the human microbiome for answers. Subtle differences in immune response and the impact of dietary changes on gut bacteria are under investigation. However, the relationship between these factors and the rise in early-onset cancers remains a complex puzzle. To tackle this global issue, international collaboration is key. Ang is spearheading a project to study the microbiome's role in early-onset cancer, joining forces with researchers across continents. Meanwhile, comparative studies between countries like Japan and South Korea might shed light on the varying rates of cancer incidence. As we peel back the layers of this perplexing trend, the story of young adults facing old-age diseases is a stark reminder of our evolving battle with cancer. With credits to Nature publications, this has been 179 seconds, because sometimes the most pressing stories only need moments to resonate. Stay tuned for more insights and join us as we seek the truths hidden in plain sight.